Look how much room this takes up in the trunk of our Jeep compared to our other chair, and this is a huge reason we got this because it's so much more convenient than you even realize until you have it. It's 100% nylon, it's easy to wash down, it's tip-proof as you see, and honestly, this is just as comfortable as any pop-up chair we've ever owned, and for only weighing 3.5 pounds, you wouldn't expect it to be as supportive and sturdy as it is, but I think that's what also allows it to feel so comfortable and relaxing, even for my husband. I mean, it looks like he's holding a rolled up sweatshirt. I love to watch people see us unfold this and see it turn into a chair. They all have so many questions and want to know where I got it. I've started noticing them a lot at the campground too because it's especially convenient for not taking up much room in a small camper.